Hello everybody and welcome back here on this Thursday. The strong southerly wind today pulled in some warmer air and high temperatures today were generally in the 80s. 84 in Devils Lake and Carrington, 86 in Jamestown, Grafton and Grand Forks, 82 out in Bemidji. As for peak wind gusts, they were quite strong at times right through the Central Valley. 45-mile-per-hour winds reported at the Grand Forks Airport, 49-mile-per-hour wind, the strongest of the day in Crookston. Here in Fargo, earlier this afternoon, we had a peak gust of 40 miles per hour. As for what we're seeing right now, a few clouds moving through, 86 degrees here in Fargo with winds out of the south, still gusting to 33 miles per hour. Overall, though, if you're stepping outside, it's warm, but it's not muggy. Our dew points are in the low 60s. In Grand Forks, 86 as well, wind gusting to 29 with a dew point of 61 degrees. Now, looking at winds across the valley right now, a lot of yellow on this map. Anywhere you see yellow is where the wind is gusting over 25 miles per hour. So that's a good chunk of our region. Light winds right now out of the north in Jamestown. So a front moving through, bringing that wind shift. Meanwhile, gusting to 28 miles per hour in Bemidji, 26 miles per hour in Wadena, 29 miles per hour in Roseau. Again, temperatures are generally in the 80s, 79 in Wadena being the exception, with some showers and exiting cloud cover in parts of northwestern Minnesota. Our far easternmost counties still seeing some shower activity through Hubbard County, but that continues to exit to the north and east. For tonight in Fargo, I expect winds to gradually calm down later tonight. Still a little bit breezy through the evening, but not nearly as gusty as where we've been this afternoon. And temperatures staying warm because of that southerly wind. In Grand Forks, lows overnight dipping into the 60s. So here's a look at your planning forecast. We'll remain gusty through the rest of this evening before that front really starts to move into the valley. Slightly less wind overnight for eastern North Dakota, but for our folks in northwestern Minnesota, still a little bit breezy through the overnight hours as that front is slow to move in. Then tomorrow morning, temperatures seasonably warm. We're looking upper 50s to upper 60s in parts of the southern valley with mostly clear skies. Wind picks up tomorrow across the northern valley out of the west with that front, a couple of passing clouds down across the south. Temperatures warming up into the 80s and 90s. So here's a look at our warm morning, generally in the 60s, and here's the afternoon, 80s to low 90s. Check this out. We had awesome viewer photos of the super blue moon. You can check them all out on our website right now, valleynewslive.com. So here's a look at the heat continuing to build right on through Labor Day weekend, near record potential on Sunday. Cooling off a bit next week with a few chances of some showers or thunderstorms.
Yeah, but still no triple digits yet. A 94, 97, no 100 yet.
Will be dangerously close in some places on Sunday.
All right, you heard it from Summer here first. We're gonna get close. Summer, thank you so much.